Hey guys, David from Orlando Harley-Davidson here, and today we are checking out a very exciting bike, the 2022 Ultra Limited with the rare and coveted Apex paint scheme. This is a brand new paint scheme that pays tribute to historic Harley-Davidson race bikes. This limited release paint scheme can be found on the Ultra Limited, the Road Glide Limited, Street Glide, Road King, and Road Glide Specials. Being near the top of the model range, the 2022 Ultra Limited is the ultimate long distance touring motorcycle. This motorcycle has both the batwing and lower fairings, which do an amazing job of keeping the wind off you and keeping you more comfortable on longer rides. This bike is definitely well equipped for the long haul with a 6-gallon gas tank, these big comfortable floorboards, as well as saddlebags and this tour pack for all your luggage. The Ultra Limited is equipped with the twin-cooled 114 Milwaukee 8 engine, which is going to ensure that you always have passing power on the highway. Up front, we have dual disc front brakes, which are always appreciated on some of the heavier touring models. The Daymaker LED headlamp with the passing lamps do an amazing job of lighting up the road at night. A great feature on this motorcycle is going to be the premium Boombox GTS infotainment system. Harley-Davidson is known for having premium paint on their motorcycles. If you take a closer look at this specific bike, you can see it has the bar and shields that sort of fade in and out. It looks beautiful on this bike, and it's definitely going to turn a lot of heads. If you like to ride long distances, ride with a passenger, or if comfort is your priority, this is definitely the right motorcycle for you, especially if you want to turn heads with a unique and badass paint scheme. All right guys, this wraps up our brief overview of a very unique and beautiful motorcycle, the 2022 Harley-Davidson Ultra Limited with the Apex paint scheme. If you like this content, don't forget to like and subscribe, leave a comment below. And if you are interested in this motorcycle or any other exciting bikes, come see us at Orlando Harley-Davidson.